I'm Cass from Willful Studio. Today I wanted to show you how you can add a social sharing image to your website. So when you share it on, for example, Facebook or Twitter or X as it's now known, it will come up with the preview image for your website instead of just a blank space or sometimes a cropped version of your logo that you've updated. So first things first, you'll want to create a new document in Canva. This is the easiest way to do it. Just create something that's either a square image or a landscape. So for example, you could use a Facebook post template. Then what you want to do is add any information that you want to appear in that little preview image right in the center. So make sure it stays off the top and bottom edge and in the middle of the design. So you don't want it to go too far to the left or right, or you'll still have it get cut off when you do share it. So once you've created your social sharing image, what you want to do in your website is go down to settings and then click on social sharing and then click add a social logo. Now from here you can upload from your website, upload from your computer, clicking upload file, or you can select from your library if you've already used a picture on your website elsewhere. So just for this example, I'm going to use an image already on the website. So I'll click on that one and we'll choose this image here and then add. So this will then load eventually, and then what you'll need to do is click on save. Now what this will do is it will update it for your whole website. You can also set a social sharing image that's different for each page. So to do that one, after you've saved it, click on the X to close out of the settings menu and then click on website. So this is your list of pages. So say if you wanted to share your about page and have maybe a picture of you rather than what you've set for your whole site, click on the settings icon and then go into social image and see this is the default image that I've just uploaded that will show for all of my website pages. But if you want to add one just for this page, click on add image down here and follow the same steps. And you can do this for every page on your website pretty much. For your blog posts, it will also default to the preview image that you've uploaded. You will possibly also need to do a refresh on Facebook debugger. So this is a tool for developers that basically tells it to look for new information on your website. So I'll include a link below about how you can do that. It's really easy. All you need to do is visit the URL for the Facebook debugger, put in your website address and then click on refresh and it will do that for you, and then the new image will show up in Messenger and Facebook. Hope that helps.